Alright, so I just got the iPhone 12 mini in the mail here, and in this video we're going to be doing a very quick unboxing of this phone, so let's get started. So you can see the box is pretty thin compared to the previous size iPhone box. It's like half the size, and that is because they did remove some items from the box, such as the charging brick and the lightning ear pods. Let's remove the plastic here from the box and get to opening it. So there we go. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, so we're gonna peel this off the front. Now, I generally like smaller phones better, which is why I went with a 12 mini. I love the blue color, and I also love the size, like the size and the boxy edges. Oh, this is perfect. All right, there's my initial reactions to the phone, and I should be able to just stand it up there. And it should be able to just stand up on its own without needing a stand. Got a little bit of a little tiny thing with the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and a single Apple sticker. And then a Lightning to USB-C charging cable. Now, there's nothing else in the box, no brick, no ear pods. Now, you might be complaining because they included a USB-C to Lightning cable, but most people don't have USB-C bricks because they've been including USB bricks, and most people have those. But the thing is, if you have a USB brick, you also most likely have a Lightning to USB charger, if you had an existing iPhone already, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal, and it's not very expensive to buy a USB-C brick, especially if you get the Anker Nano 30 watt, which I think is like 20 bucks on Amazon, so pretty good price, and hey, at least you have a Lightning to USB-C cable there. So that is everything inside the box for the iPhone 12 mini. So thank you for watching. I'm Max, here to help you save money on your phone service. I'll see you in the next video, and I gotta get up to setting up this new iPhone.